Alright. Maybe I don't need to open my gate. Maybe I could just go over the fence. Oh my god, I'm on the bush. Okay. I did it! Now it's time to get to Sophia's house. Did it change again? Sophia! Can I come in? Alright. Got it. Nice new house. I heard Flower has like tons of different houses. Hey Sophia. What? I'm gonna paint my house green. Wait, no, don't do that. I'll paint it back afterwards. Your mom's gonna yell at you. You see my mom over there? She's watching me. Alright, let's get painting. Alright, we're finished. I'm right here. I have to parkour down. There we go. What? Whoa, the inside looks very different. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Why does it all look different? Huh? The asteroid hit and our house changed back to and my house changes back to color, to the original color. I see it's smoke. That looks cool. That looks cool, like a firestone. Uh-oh. The poor animals! Alright. Oh! Oh! What just happened, Sophia? Why do I look different? Wonder what happened. You look the same. Wait a minute. What do I have? I feel like I have something on my back. Wow. Look what I found on my back. Alright. I don't know what happened to us, but I'm kind of liking it. It's been my dream to be a rock star for years, so. I couldn't find anything around the outside of the barn, but that stone we touched is gone. Maybe we gain superpowers. You changed your look. You changed. Where are you? What happened to your look? You're so fast I can't catch up to you. Wait, your hair is blonde. Get a piece of your hair. Don't you see it as blonde? I don't get what happened to us, but I really kind of am digging it. Let's just go home. We need to show our parents this. Oh yeah, I saw that. I wonder what happened. Let's go home. Oh my god. You're running fast again. Run into something. Alright. We should just go home. Do you want me to carry you or something? Okay. Alright, let's go. I'll take you to your home on the couch. I don't get why my house changed back to yellow. Where are you going? Where are you? Get in the bed. Get in a bed. I feel like it must be a power or something. Alright. I feel like it must be a power or something, because I don't know how I changed. But my hair is now purple, and I don't have my regular clothes anymore. Are you okay, Sophia? Yeah, I'm just using the bathroom. Okay. I think I have rockstar powers, Sophia. What just happened? I saw like a black light come, but I saw like a black light come from the bathroom door. Where did my brush go? It's gone. Like, can you make stuff disappear? I don't know. I think so. I don't know. Ugh.